Hello everybody, welcome back to the shop, which is under construction, but who cares. Alright, we have installed some OSB on the roof up here, along with the side, along with what I'm calling the outriggers to connect the gable and fascia. So we're making some progress here. We've had a little bit of downtime, I'll go into that in a bit. But for right now, just installing some more OSB up on the trusses here. Alright everybody, just to inform you of the tragedy that has struck. After we got the trusses up, we had, I don't know, a week and a half of gale force winds rip through here. Gusts anywhere between 20 to 50 miles an hour. Now, we put the hoist, as you can see, in the north side of the building here. Ran the cables across and tied it to the trusses. Got them nice and taut. Doing everything we could to make sure the wind doesn't blow this roof down. And it didn't, so that's good. The problem is it's not even close to straight anymore. They're all leaning over. Let me see if you can see where. All right, we've straightened some, but you can see the gap there. This truss is the points where it needs to be. This truss on this side is the leaning one, and you can see that 6-inch gap between it. All those got to get straightened. Now you can see here in this picture that the truss is kind of, let me zoom out. They kind of go like that. Yeah, I don't know if that's normal. Probably anybody that puts trusses up and lets them sit there for a week in the wind. So the OSB roof sheathing, as it goes on, we're gonna have to straighten all those out. It's an unfortunate problem, but when you're two guys doing this and you don't have a team of people, it takes a little while to do the roof. Weather comes. I'm okay with it. Even if we lost some of it, I'd still fix it. Yeah. All right, enough chit chat. Back to work. So I built a death trap here to slide the OSB sheets on. It works on the first little clip stoppers I have here, but not the second. When it hits the second, the sheet goes falling off to the side. But I'm going to try something a little different here to get the sheets on the roof. So you'll see what the plan is here in a second. But here's the trivia for you. How many times did I fall off the roof? Is it A, 0, B, 1, C, 3, or D, 5? Well, it took 3 days, but this side is done. Well, except for the holes up here, but I'll explain why that is later. Now, a framer slash crew could have done this entire roof in a day. So when you think of it like that, that kind of sucks, but it's just us, so, you know, I think it's fine. If you're wondering about that green sheet, I think when they ship the OSB, the green sheets are on top to give it more moisture protection than the rest. That's why that green paint is the same that you see along the borders of all the OSB sheets. I didn't want to use it, but then again, it's still, you know, a $10 sheet. I could have sent it back, but yeah, I'll never see it once the roof is on. So yeah, the crappy ramp that we made here, hoisted up just fine. Takes a little longer than just carrying them up, but you know, it's working. So yeah, next week, other side. Hopefully it doesn't take all week. I think we'll be done by Wednesday, but we'll see.